Hebrews chapter 10,
chapter 10,
24 to
24 to
31.
31.
And let us consider
And let us consider
how to stir up one another
one another
to love and good works,
to love and good works,
not
not
neglecting
neglecting
to meet
to
together,
meet together,
as is the habit of some,
as is the habit of some,
but encouraging one
but
another,
encouraging one another,
and all the more
and all the more
as you see
as you see
the day drawing near.
the day drawing near.
For if we go
For
on
if we go on
sinning
sinning
deliberately
deliberately
after receiving the knowledge
after receiving the knowledge
of the truth,
of the truth,
there no
there
longer
no longer
remains a sacrifice
remains a sacrifice
for sins,
for sins,
but a fearful expectation of judgment
expectation of judgment,
and a fury of fire
and a fury of fire
that will consume
that will consume
the adversaries.
the adversaries.
Anyone who has set aside
Anyone who has set aside
the law of Moses
the law of Moses
is without mercy
dies without mercy
on the evidence of
on the evidence of
2 or 3 witnesses.
2 or 3 witnesses.
How much was punishment?
How much was punishment?
Do you think
Do you think
will be deserved by the
will be reserved by the
one who has
one who has
spurned the Son
spurned the Son
of God
of God
and has profaned the blood of the covenant
blood of the covenant
by which
by which
he was sanctified,
he was sanctified,
and has outraged the Spirit of grace.
the Spirit of grace.
For we know him
For we know him
who said,
who said,
vengeance is mine,
vengeance is mine.
I will repay.
I will repay.
And again,
And again,
the Lord will judge his people.
the Lord will judge his people.
It is a fearful thing
It is a fearful thing
to fall into the hands
to
of
fall into the hands of
the living God.
the living God.